Hello, digital enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the realm of effective digital marketing strategies for startups. Get ready to make a splash in the digital landscape, connect with your target audience, and drive meaningful results. Let's unlock the power of digital marketing. Embrace mobile marketing. Optimize your website and campaigns for mobile devices, leverage mobile apps, and tap into the power of mobile advertising. Create compelling content. Develop a content marketing strategy that includes valuable blog posts, engaging videos, and informative infographics to attract and engage your audience. Leverage the power of social media. Identify the right platforms for your target audience, create engaging content, and foster a community around your brand. Optimize for search engines. Implement SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility, attract organic traffic, and drive relevant leads to your startup. Embrace data-driven marketing. Analyze metrics, leverage tools like Google Analytics, and use data insights to optimize your campaigns and maximize ROI. Collaborate with influencers. Identify relevant influencers in your industry, establish partnerships, and leverage their reach and credibility to amplify your brand's presence. And there you have it, folks. Effective digital marketing strategies can give your startup a competitive edge in the digital landscape. Remember, with the right digital tactics, your startup can thrive. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and expert advice on our channel. Together, let's harness the power of digital marketing and drive your startup to new heights. Get ready to make an impact.